How lucky am I? I'm getting a lesson with Iva Majoli today. This is one of the perks of the job for sure.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, this is Ambassador McGraw, the United States Ambassador to Croatia, and today I have the honor of interviewing Iva Majoli, the French Open champion and champion all around. And then when did you turn pro?
I turned pro when I was 14. I played few smaller tournaments, and then my kind of big break was, it was called Virginia Slim of Houston. My goal was always to become a professional tennis player. So yeah, I'm super happy with the career I had. It made me really a different person. I got to meet so many incredible people, and you're one of them, and becoming friends, it's really special for me. And keep all these memories and still do things that you love, and still being able to compete in all the Legends event like French Open and Wimbledon, and seeing all my friends around the world, it's special.
One of the things that I'm really focused on is sports diplomacy, because I believe as the United States Ambassador that one of the best ways to bridge these people-to-people ties is through sports. It's the thing that connects us all, and the dreams that we all have as kids that one day we'll be a champion. We're not trying to ace anyone yet.
No.
That's for next time.
Wow, this is amazing serve. Not good, excellent.
Thank you.
Breathe. Woo! Thanks, Nicole. It was amazing.
That was so much fun.
Yes.